So guys, a couple of months ago, I asked Secretlab if I could have a free chair, and to my surprise, they said yes. They were like, yeah, choose whichever one you want. We've got loads of colours, and I actually did an Instagram poll and asked you guys which one I should get, and you guys voted for the charcoal Softweave, and it's got a hint of blue in it as well, which is really cool. But last year, I was actually going to buy a Secretlab chair myself. This was before I had the second setup. And I was weighing up, should I get a gaming chair or an office chair? And in the end, I decided to go for an office chair because I thought it'd be the most sensible option. But I always regretted not getting the Secretlab chair. As it happens, we've now got two setups, so we can have an office chair and a gaming chair. So this is going to be my new gaming chair, which is awesome. Again, massive shout out to Secretlab for sending this over. Let's get it unboxed. So like I said guys, they do loads of different colours and materials, and depending on which one you go for, some of them are like super popular. Like this one, I think, is pretty much always on like pre-order because loads of people just must buy it. So I think that's why it's taken a little while to get here. Plus there's loads of stuff going on in the world at the moment. But anyway, let's open it. So the first thing you see when you open the box, guys, is this massive piece of card, which says on it, "Congratulations, you are now the owner of a brand new Secretlab chair. You're just steps away from your ultimate seating experience." And on the other side of this, it's a massive full colour guide of how to build this thing. I don't think I've ever seen this included with like any chair at all. Normally they just give you paper instructions. But yeah, massive full colour printed piece of card. So hopefully it should be easy to build. We're going to get the rest of the parts out now and then stick it together. I just saw this thing as well, guys. Don't know what's in here. Let's have a look. Alright, so we've got like a warranty card here. This actually comes with 3 years warranty as standard, but you can extend it by 2 years for a total of 5 years by doing the stuff that they say on here. And also under here as well, we've just got a little bit of a care guide, and it tells you all the stuff that you shouldn't do. So don't sweat on it. It's very important. And down here, there's a bunch of stuff. You should do this, which is sit on it like a normal person. And then there's 7 things that you shouldn't do, because that would be stupid. Yeah, we're going to need some scissors to open this. So they actually go to the trouble of sealing it in this plastic packaging, which is quite nice because it just stops it from, I guess, getting marked. Here's a little bit of a close-up of the top of the chair for you guys. So you can see we've got the Secretlab logo at the top here with the blue stitching, which don't know how it comes across on camera, but looks absolutely incredible in person. This is actually the Softweave fabric. They do PU leather and normal leather as well, or like real leather. But I always think leather feels a little bit hot, especially in the summer, so I went for the Softweave fabric. And you can see along the edge here, we've got some very nice velour as well. So yeah, really premium feeling. I think this is probably the best chair I've ever held in terms of quality. Let's put this down now and we can unbox the rest of it. This thing feels good, guys. This is the pillow that goes on the headrest, and it's actually memory foam. So let me show you guys closer. Check that out. So this just goes over the top of the headrest and then attaches like that. And yeah, just gives you an extra little bit of comfort if you want it. I normally do use these because they are just so comfortable. Anyway, moving on. This is the base, and it's actually gloss black, which looks really premium. I don't think I've ever seen any chair bases that look this good before. So pretty quality experience so far. We got a big warning here, guys. It says do not touch the backrest lever until you put the chair together. So we better not do that. So I think I'm starting to get why these are so expensive now, guys. You see this on the side, this attention to detail. We've got the nice little Secretlab kind of plaque there. Hopefully you can see that. And then we've got this metal chromed effect here, which it is actually metal, by the way. So yeah, just really premium, kind of sets off the whole chair. I've got a little label here. It says, do not remove this strap unless the backrest has been securely installed. That is probably to stop you from touching that thing there, which we don't want to do. This is your accessories box, and in here we get, so it looks like this is all the stuff we need to put it together. We've got the Allen key, we've got the screws and washers, a Phillips hex screw bit, and a magnetic screwdriver handle, which by the looks of it is actually branded with the Secretlab logo, which stuff like this, guys, it just kind of screams, well, premium. I've also got the caster wheels in here and the side covers and the hydraulic piston. So let's open this up and see what they're like. Again, nice little presentation box. Pretty decent quality wheels there. We've got the side covers as well, which are these things. They're kind of angular because that's how the Secretlab logo is kind of designed, I guess. And then underneath this, I'll put these over here. So yeah, this is the toolkit and it comes in its own nice little box, which is awesome. We've got the screwdriver handle there and all the screws that we need. And then this is to go over the hydraulic piston. The piston is in here. And then we've got these things, which I don't know what these are for actually. Oh, these are the handles for adjusting the chair. So yeah, you've got everything you need in there. And again, I'm just really impressed with the quality. So that's the accessories box. And the last thing in the box is the tilt mechanism. So hopefully this will last a long time, because I always find the tilt mechanisms are the first things to kind of start creaking and stuff like that. But like I said, we do get a 3-year warranty, so hopefully that should cover us and hopefully it should last. So I'm just going to move the box out of the way and all the packaging, and then we can start putting it together. All right, it's time to build. Alright guys, so the chair is complete. As you can see, it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. However, I'm actually recording this part of the video a couple of weeks after I finished building it because we ran into a little bit of an issue. Now, as you guys know, I'm always totally transparent with you. If I get sent a product and there's an issue with it, I'll tell you. So here's what the issue was. Basically, these armrests, as you can see, they have a little button here which you press in to adjust the armrest left and right and forwards and backwards. And what had happened was, I only noticed this after I'd built it and I sat on the chair. But this silver button was missing. Now here's the old armrest, and as you can see, this is supposed to be kind of welded onto here, but it was just missing completely. So I checked the box and then I found this in the box. Now I wasn't sure whether I'd done it accidentally, taken it out of the box and like damaged it or something, but I actually rolled back the footage because obviously I filmed the whole unboxing, and this was missing as soon as I took it out the cellophane, so it definitely wasn't me. Whether it happened during shipping, I don't know, because you do actually get like a little piece of paper that says that these are hand checked before they go out the factory. So I don't know what happened, but anyway, I got in touch with Secretlab and they sent out a brand new armrest. It was super easy to put back on. All we did was basically just take 2 screws out of the bottom of here and then just slip the new one on, and that was about it really. But I thought I'd just let you guys know. As regards comfort, so here's what it looks like when you sat on it. I'll give you a little spin. I'm dizzy now. Do you like the new merch, by the way, guys? It will be coming to a merch store near you soon. Come on, stop just on the camera. No, it's still going, stop. But anyway, what does it feel like to sit on? It feels, this is the only way I can describe it, like sitting on a throne, which is kind of ironic because Secretlab actually make a model above this one called the Throne. But compared to my ergonomic chair, which by the way is super comfortable, I love it for doing editing and things because it makes you sit properly. But that one is kind of all curved, whereas this one is very flat and it, yeah, just kind of feels like sitting on a throne. It's also very firm as well, which I know a lot of people might be thinking, well, that's not very comfortable, surely. But in my opinion, that is a good thing because we've all done it before when you've gone to like an office place and sat on a super comfortable office chair and it's really soft and squishy. And then you get it home and 3 to 6 months later, after you've sat on it, it's all kind of compressed and the foam is squished and it's rock hard. Whereas this, because it starts off firm to begin with, it should last, and after you've been using it for a year or 2, it should still have the pad in there, which is good. As regards adjustability, we've got tons of adjustments that we can make. The armrests, as I showed you earlier, they can go forwards and backwards, they can go up and down, they can tilt side to side, and they can actually move in and out as well. So you've got 4 degrees of freedom, or 4 degrees of movement on the armrests. You've got your standard back recline, so that's this lever here. So obviously I can bring it straight up like that and lean it back. And we've also got a tilt lock as well. So if I try and lean back at the moment, you can see it doesn't move, and that is because it's locked with this lever. If I release that, I can now lean back all the way, and you can actually lock it in place as well. So say if I want to lock it here, there you go, that's locked now. I'll unlock it. The other controls I've got 2 more. We've got adjustable lumbar support, which you only tend to find on higher end chairs. So it's really good that this has it. And it's very important because it makes you kind of sit up properly, because it fills in the small of your back. So you can adjust this to obviously bring it in and out so that it is comfortable. And then finally, we have got the height adjustment, which is this one on the right here. So we can go down and back up again. So pretty straightforward. And yeah, just in general, a very comfortable chair. And it looks great as well, especially in a gaming setup. I think I'm going to be having this in my gaming setup, and then having my kind of productivity office chair in this setup to match with the black, grey and white theme. And I might be turning this into like the editing kind of workstation as well, but I need to have a think about what to do with the screens, because obviously one 16:9 screen isn't really enough for editing, when you're used to 3 anyway. If you want to check this chair out for yourselves, guys, I'll leave a link in the description down below. If you got any questions or anything, drop me a comment and I'll definitely get back to you. If you enjoyed, like rating would be appreciated, and subscribe if you're new. Got lots more content coming, and thanks again for all the support recently. We hit 30,000 about a few weeks ago, and yeah, the subs are going crazy at the moment, so I appreciate all the support. And with that being said, hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll catch you all in the next one.